How to fix Adobe Animate for Mac not uninstalling. Here is a script file to uninstall Adobe Animate for Mac. #bin/bash echo uninstalling Adobe Animate #kill any running instances of Adobe Animate sudo pkill f Adobe Animate #remove Adobe Animate application file sudo rmrf/application/Adobe Animate 2022 #remove Adobe Animate preferences and settings sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Animate sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami/library/application support/Adobe/Animate sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami/library/ preferences/com.adobe.Animate.plist sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami/library/caches/com.adobe.Animate echo uninstall complete. Save the code as a file with the name uninstall_animate.sh and run it in the terminal using the command sh uninstall_animate.sh. Note that this script is specific to Adobe Animate 2022. If you have a different version installed, you may need to modify the file paths accordingly. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.